Today I will talk about how can you enable or add your passcode on your money manager app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on configuration. Just click on it here. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down. So you keep going down here. Then you just click here on passcode. You just click on it. And you just click here on passcode here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Add here your passcode here and repeat it again. Then it's going to add with you here automatically your passcode. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.